Welcome cadets once again in online coaching of Defense Services Academy. Cadets, in last period we discussed the question bank of polymer, and from today we have to discuss about the question bank of green and nanochemistry. Green and nanochemistry. Green and nanochemistry you already studied in regular classes, and various examinations are also conducted on this topic. So whatever the question bank given by Maharashtra government, we have to discuss that question bank today. So here first question arises, page number 20, and here first question is, the total number of principles of green chemistry are. ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री के कितने प्रिंसिपल्स हैं? वेरी सिंपल, वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. यू नो दैट देयर आर 12 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री. कितने हैं? 12 प्रिंसिपल्स. कौन से हैं ये अगर पूछा जाता तो इसके लिए लिस्ट देना पड़ती. हालांकि मैं लिस्ट आपको बताऊंगा, लेकिन अब इस क्वेश्चन में हाउ मेनी principles of green chemistry, 12 principles of green chemistry in short, in one answer, one sentence you have to answer. Which are the principles of green chemistry? अगर ऐसा होता तो हमें लिखना पड़ता which are the principles of green chemistry. And you know that the principles of green chemistry, first principle is prevention of waste. Prevention of waste. This is the first principle, cadets. Second principle is atom economy. Atom economy. Third principle, less hazardous. Chemical synthesis. Less hazardous chemical synthesis. Fourth principle is designing of safer chemicals. Designing of safer chemicals. Fifth principle, that is use of safer solvent and auxiliaries. Use of safer solvent and auxiliaries. The sixth principle is design for energy. Design for energy efficiency. Energy efficiency. Seventh one, use of renewable feedstocks. Use of renewable feedstock. 8.1 is use of catalyst. 9.1 reduced derivative. 10th one, design for degradation. 11th principle is real-time analysis And pollution prevention. 12th one is safer chemistry for accident prevention. So cadets, these are the 12 principles. Which one? Prevention of waste, atom economy, less hazardous chemical synthesis, design for safer chemicals, use of safer solvent and auxiliaries, design for energy efficiency, use of renewable feedstock, use of catalyst, reduced derivative, then design for degradation, real-time analysis and pollution prevention, and safer chemistry for accidental prevention. These are the names of that 12 principles. हालांकि ये इसमें पूछा नहीं गया था. Cadets, next question is, name the catalyst used to manufacturing of H2SO4 by contact process. अगर हम कॉन्टैक्ट प्रोसेस से H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो इसमें वैनेडियम पेंटॉक्साइड V2O5 ये कैटलिस्ट यूज करते हैं. व्हिच कैटलिस्ट? वैनेडियम पेंटॉक्साइड. सो द कैटलिस्ट यूज्ड इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड बाय कॉन्टैक्ट प्रोसेस इज वैनेडियम पेंटॉक्साइड. द थर्ड वन क्वेश्चन इज, name the plants which is an example of self cleaning. Cadets, मैंने कहा था आपको जब ये चैप्टर लिया था, जो लोटस प्लांट होता है, लोटस प्लांट गंदगी में आता है, मडी वाटर में निकलता है. लेकिन अगर आप लोटस प्लांट के लीव्स देखोगे तो ये क्लीन रहते हैं, इस पर कोई मड़ नहीं रहता. तो ऐसे सेल्फ क्लीनिंग प्लांट्स है. तो सेल्फ क्लीनिंग प्लांट्स का आपका एग्जाम्पल है, एक है लोटस प्लांट जो आपको पढ़ाई में दिया था. इसके अलावा कैडेट्स, लैंटाना नाम का एक प्लांट है, लैंटाना, एंड एंजिलोरिया is another name. Angiloria. These are the self-cleaning plants, out of which lotus plant we are familiar to this plant. Cadets, next question is, write the names of nanomaterial which is used in water purification. Cadets, in water purification, you know that silver nanoparticles are used. क्या यूज किया जाता है? सिल्वर नैनो पार्टिकल्स. सो सिल्वर नैनो पार्टिकल्स, cellulose nano crystals and cellulose nano particles can be used along this. Cellulose nanocrystals and cellulose nanoparticles. These also used in water purification, out of which silver nanoparticles ये हम ऑलरेडी theoretically पढ़ चुके हैं. Cadets, next one is, name the gamma isomers of benzene hexachloride. बेंजीन हेक्साक्लोराइड के गैमा आइसोमर्स कौन से हैं? You know that gamma isomers of benzene hexachloride are gammaxene. क्या है? Gammaxene. Then gammaxylene. These are the gamma isomers of BHC, benzene hexachloride. Which principle of green chemistry, next one is, which principle of green chemistry has its perspective towards to carrying out reaction at room temperature and pressure? तो आपको पता है ये 12th प्रिंसिपल जो है, ये 12 प्रिंसिपल पूरे के पूरे, these are its perspective towards carrying out reactions at room temperature. Write any example of nanoparticles which is used in photocatalyst. Nanoparticles which is used as a photoparticles catalyst as a TiO2. TiO2 is used as a photocatalysis, in photocatalysis. जो 12th प्रिंसिपल था सेफर केमिस्ट्री फॉर एक्सीडेंटल प्रिवेंशन, ये भी सेफर केमिकल रिएक्शंस को रूम टेम्परेचर पर और प्रेशर पर ला सकते हैं, कर सकते हैं. Cadets, write one name of safer solvent and hazardous solvent. Safer solvent, the best safer solvent is water. Best safer solvent is water. And hazardous solvent is methylene dichloride, CH2Cl2. Methylene dichloride. This is the hazardous. This is hazardous. And this is safer solvent. Safer solvent. Cadets, then how does nanoparticles play an important role in water purification? You know that water purification is take place by the process of absorption as well as adsorption. And on that nanoparticles, both the process are take place, as well as selective adsorption is take place. And that's why we can say that by the process of selective adsorption and absorption, the nanoparticles are used in water purification. Name the catalyst. Next question is, name the catalyst which is used in the preparation of HDPE. HDPE, high density polyethylene. ये लास्ट पॉलीमर चैप्टर में आपने देखा था. HDPE के लिए जो रिएजेंट यूज होता है ये है जिगलर नाटा कैटलिस्ट. कौन सा होता है? जिगलर नाटा कैटलिस्ट. TiCl4 and C2H5by3Al. ये जो है इसे कहते हैं जिगलर नाटा कैटलिस्ट. एंड V2O5 is used for which of the process? अभी आपको बताया V2O5 is used in the process of manufacturing, in the manufacturing of H2SO4 by contact process. By which process? Contact process. So cadets, these few questions are there. Write formula to calculate percentage of atom economy. Atom economy का formula लिखिए. तो you know that Atom, the formula for atom economy is, ये सिर्फ आपको फार्मूला लिखना है, atom economy in percentage is equal to formula weight of product upon formula sum of formula weight of all reactants used in reactant multiplied by 100. Then this is the percent atom economy. Percent atom economy. So cadets, this is the percent atom economy and this is the formula. Next question is, explain prevention of waste or byproduct. Which one of the principle of green chemistry? ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री के प्रिंसिपल्स आपने देखे, दीज आर दी ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री। और यहां पर क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, एक्सप्लेन प्रिवेंशन ऑफ वेस्ट और बाय प्रोडक्ट्स विच इज वन ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री। प्रिवेंशन ऑफ वेस्ट, फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल, हमने इस तरह से केमिकल्स यूज करना है, वी हैव टू डू द प्रोसेस in such a way that chemical process minimum waste product is obtained, and if waste product is obtained, it should be used for useful purpose in another process. For example, in thermal power station, ash is obtained and that ash is used to make the cement bricks, Similarly, in certain chemical reactions, useful product like HCl, H2SO4, ether, these may be produced and it can be used to start another processes. In refineries or in beverages product, alcohol is used as a side product and that alcohol can be used in the addition of petrol. Alcohol may be used in medicines, alcohol may be used in liquors and beers also. So, such whatever the waste product obtained, if we use that waste product in another processes, then prevention of waste, it is the best principle for the green chemistry. Write any three advantages of nanoparticles and nanotechnology. Cadets, you know, by nanotubes, nanoparticles, by using the nanoparticles, we can make the tools, we can make the plastics. So, these are the uses of nanoparticles. Write one example of nanoparticle used in water purification. You know that in water purification, silver nanoparticles are used. In car tires, nylon particles are used. Explain the role of green chemistry. Cadets, green chemistry का role आपको पता है. The nature has its own efficiency to diminish whatever the waste which is obtained from the society, But beyond that capacity, when waste product is produced, at that time, we have to destroy that waste by various either physical or chemical methods. So such, for example, when the automatically by natural processes, biodegradable polymers, then biodegradable material, whatever the biodegradable material, that biodegradable material is destroyed by natural force. It can be converted into manure, and that manure it can be used, and therefore